Hi, this is Greg from On-Site Storage Solutions. Today I'm going to walk you through a standard 40-foot container. Standard means that it's 8 feet 6 inches high versus a high cube, which is 9 feet 6 inches high. Whether it's a regular standard or a high cube, they're both 8 feet wide. We did already add a security hasp on it, so you can get a puck lock, which we do sell, which gives you additional security. But let's go inside real quick, just kind of walk through some of the details on this unit. So just taking a quick look around where the seals are. Not a lot of corrosion, but definitely, like all used units, you're going to want to address any rust with a wire wheel, some spot primer, and then a little bit of paint, just to prevent any further issues. But again, this is really thick stuff, so you're not going to have any problems here. You just want to address it for longevity. So again, you'll see a little bit here, there, but nothing major. Doors seem to operate fine. Floors, always important. Want to make sure they're solid. These are solid floors. Not a lot of repairs. Paint's in good shape on the inside. Not a lot of issues in the corners. Humidity vents are good. This is a good wind and watertight unit. Serve you a lot of years. Let's take a quick look on the outside and see what it's got to offer. As you see, the paint's in pretty good shape. There are some issues with corrosion, which is normal for wind and watertight, but it's solid still. What we tell you to do is hit that with a wire wheel, then use a direct-to-metal primer, and then paint it. That way you can stop the rust. But again, you have to hit that in a couple spots. You know, it's not something you have to do right away, but we recommend doing it as soon as possible just for the longevity of the container. But the overall condition of this container is great. So again, if you were to paint it, we would recommend that you power wash it. All right, the bulkhead looks in good shape. Again, a little bit of rust up there, but nothing serious. Just, again, you want to get a coat of paint on that so that you can stop that from happening. I don't see any real issues here except a couple spots that you're going to want to hit with a little bit of primer. And then, again, for looks, paint the whole thing with a latex house paint. But a good solid unit, something you'll be happy with, lasts you a lot of years.